Friends, today's topic is data handling, and in this chapter we have this is second part of the chapter data handling, as we already covered first part of the chapter data handling, and this is second part. So let's see what new we are going to learn today in this chapter data handling. Before starting, before start to solve the sums, we'll just recall the topics or the concept that we have learned previously in the previous video were mean and ranges. Yes, mean. While listening the word mean, the only formula that should always strike in your mind is sum of all observation, sum of all observation upon total number of observation, upon total number of observations. Okay, dear. Now, this is the formula that should always come in our mind. Now, while finding the second or the recalling the second topic, that is range. What is the range, or what should strike in our mind while listening the word range? Range means highest minus lowest. Yes, dear, highest minus lowest. This should always be kept in your mind. Yes, friends. So I think we have recalled the concepts that we have studied in the previous video. So let us start the sums based on that topic only, and this is the second part of the further sums, because we have solved some sums in the first part of the video, and let us begin with the different type of sums based on the same concept. So let us begin with the sum for the day. Following table shows the points of each player scored in 4 games. Yes, player A, B and C, 3 players are there. You can see they are playing 4 games: game 1, game 2, game 3 and game 4. They are playing different games and they are scoring different number of points in this game. Player A scores 14 points in game 1, 16 points in game 2, 10 points in game 3 and 10 points in game 4. Similarly, for the player B, he is scoring 0 in game 1, 8 in game 2, 6 in game 3 and 4 in game 4. Similarly, for the player C, he is scoring 8 in game 1, 11 in game 2 and game 3 is not played by player number C, and in the game 4 is scoring 13 points. I hope you all might be getting it. Before solving the sums, the data should be easily understood, or we should be knowing that what does the question demands, and we will understand the question first before start to solve or starting to solve the sum. So let us begin with the first sum now based on the data given. Now answer the following questions. First sum, find the mean. Mean. After listening mean, one things come to my mind. Mean equals to sum of all observation upon total number of observation. Total number of observation. This formula, after writing this formula, I am ready to solve the sum. Find the mean to determine is average number of points scored per game. That means we need to find the mean of A. Mean of A we need to find. Same thing we should write over here. That's why I am leaving the space. Number of all observation. How many games he has played? He has played 4 games, and the data for the 4 games or the points for the 4 games are given over here. And the number of points scored 14, 16, 10 plus 10. So we will see what is the total number of observations, and after finding the total, what we are supposed to do: 10 plus 10, 20, 20 plus 16, it would be 36, 36 plus 14, it will result in 50, and total are 4. So the mean for A should be or is 12.5 points is the mean of player A. 12.5 is the mean for the player A. I hope you all might be getting it. So let us begin with the second sum. So what is the second sum? To find the mean number of points per game for C, would you divide the total points by 3 or 4? Would you divide the total points by 3 or 4? To find the mean number of points per game for C, would you divide the total numbers by 3? It is asking the question that whether you will divide it by 3 or 4. Why? Because he has not played one game. Yes, he has not played one game. That's why what we are doing, friends, we will divide it by 3, because the number of observations we are adding, that should be in the denominator, that should be the observations we have to keep in the mind. So again we need to find and get the value as that what should be in the denominator. In denominator is it should be 3 because he has not played. It should be 3 because he has not played fourth game or the game number 3. So it should be 3. I hope you all might be getting with the second answer. Now let us begin with the third sum. B played in all the 4 games. How would you find the mean? Again we need to find the mean for B. To find the mean, first I am ready after writing the formula. Sum of all observation upon total number of observation. Total number of observation. Total number of observation upon total number of observation. Now we need to find for the B. First observation, he has scored 0 points in first game. In second point he scored 8, and in third point he scored 6, and in the fourth game he scored 4. Now sum of the observations, or that should be kept in the denominator, that will sum all the numbers. So after adding all the numbers we will get what we are going to get, friends. 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 8 18, 18 plus 0 would be 18 upon 4. So 18 by 4, what we are going to get, friends? 18 by 4. So the mean for it would be 4.5. I hope you all might be getting it. So let us begin with the fourth sum for the day, and based on the similar concept or the similar observations we need to solve the fourth sum. What is to be given? If you can solve by your own, pause the video and try to solve by your own. Who is the best performer? Who is the best performer? We can find the best performer only by finding the mean of all. First, in this sum only we have found the mean of A. Mean of A we got as 12.5. Mean of B we have found it as 4.5. That means A is the best performer compared to B. To find the answer exactly, we should find the mean of C, so that we can definitely say that who has performed better, A, B or C. So we'll find the mean for C also. Sum of observations 8 plus 11 plus 13 divided by 3. 3 observations are only there. 13 plus 11 would be 24. 24 plus 8 would be 32. 32 divided by 3. So the mean would be 10.6666, or in the fractions we can write, or in the 10 integer 2 upon 3. Yes friends, so A we know 12.5, B mean is 4.5, and C's mean is 10 2 by 3. So who has performed best? So we can, after finding for all the 3, we can say that A is the best performer. A is the best. Yes friends, I hope you all might be getting it. So let us begin with the next sum for the day. So friends, if you like the content, don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel. And if you are capable of solving by your own, pause the video and try to solve by your own. Sixth sum, or the second sum for the day. The marks out of 100 obtained by a group of students in a science test are 85, this and this. Find the highest and lowest marks. First sum, we are directly solving. Find the highest and lowest obtained by the students. Before finding highest and lowest, we will first arrange them in ascending order. Yes friends, we will arrange them in ascending order. So what would be the ascending order? 85, 76. So I can find that the lowest number is 39. So I am arranging them in ascending order. 39 is the first number, so I am cutting 39 over here. Then I think it is 48. Yes, 48 is the next number. Ascending means from smaller to greater. Now after that, which number we can find? After that, I think 56 is greater than 48. 56 is greater than 48, so I am cancelling 58, 56 also, because I have written and found it till this number, till 56. After 56, which number is greater? That means in the line of 60 we can find. No, in the line of 60 nothing is there, so that we get 75. We can do 75, then 76. So I am cancelling 75 over here and 76 also here. Now we are left with 81, 85. So I think 81 will come. After that 85, 81, 85. I am cancelling now. 85 is 2 times, so I am writing 85 again. So 85 written. After cancelling 85, we are left with 90 and 95. So 90 and 95. That means in this way we have arranged in the ascending order. So let us count that whether we have taken or consider all the numbers or not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 observations are there, and let us count ours. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, we have considered all the observations and have written properly in the ascending order. I hope you all might be getting it. Now, what is the first thing we need to do? Find the highest and lowest. By solving this, we can directly say, we can say it easily, that the highest is 95, and the lowest observation is 39. I hope you all might be getting it. This was the first sum, and we have got the answer for the first sum by writing highest and lowest. So highest and lowest we have found it and I have written over here. So we'll find second sum, range of the marks obtained. Range means highest minus lowest. So highest minus lowest, this would be the range. So highest is 95 and lowest is 39. So friends, if you are writing till this step that 95 to 39 is the range, then also it is okay, no need to subtract. If you are subtracting, then it's well and good, but till this step is also okay. That after subtracting it, we will get the answer as 56. I hope you all might be getting it. So let us begin with the third sum for the day. Mean marks obtained by the group. Mean marks. Mean is the thing that we have to give them. While just listening the word mean, we are ready with after writing the formula of the mean. Mean equals to mean sum of observation upon total number of observation. Friends, here you have to pause the video and find the sum of all the observations, because in the denominator we know it would be 10 only, and afterwards we have to add all the numbers. So I am writing directly that the sum of all the numbers over here would be, what we can say, the sum of all the numbers, because we need to find the mean marks obtained by the groups. That means we need to add all the numbers. So we'll add all the numbers over here. I am adding all the numbers over here so that we can find and get the value as easily. So I am requesting you to pause the video so that you can find and get the answer over here. I will give you 1 minute pause, or you can pause the video and find the answer over here. So I am first solving it by the unit place. In this way, by the different technique, I am solving in front of you. So try to learn over here, friends. 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, 15 plus 1, 16, 16 plus 6, 22, 22 plus 5, 27, 27 plus 6, it would be 33, 33 plus 8, 41, 41 plus 9, 50. So the unit place would be 50, 5 would be there, and 0 in the answer, and 5 goes for carry. Now 9 plus 5, 14, 14 plus 9, 23, 23 plus 8, 23 plus 8, it will result in 31, 31 plus 8, 39, 39 plus another 8, 39 plus 8 will result in 47, 47 plus 7, 47 plus 7 will result in 54, 54 plus 7 will result in 61, 61 plus 5, 66, 66 plus 4, 66 plus 4, 70, and 70 plus 3 would be resulting in 73. That means the sum for all the observations is 730. By dividing it by 10, we are getting the mean as 73. I hope you all might be getting it, friends. So friends, if you like the content, don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel. And now, if you understood and cleared your concept over here, pause the video and try to solve the last sum by your own, as I am going to solve the last sum by over here for you only. So I would like to request that pause the video and try to solve by your own. The simple thing that we need to find is mean only. The enrollment in a school during 6 consecutive years was as follows. Numbers are given. Find the mean enrollment of the school for this period. We need to find mean. Mean means we write the formula mean equals to sum of all observation upon total number of observation Here I am writing 1555 plus 1670 plus 1750 plus 2013 plus 2540 plus 2820. In denominator, how many here it is given 6 years, so I'm writing the total over here directly. Here you have to pause the video and try to sum and find the sum of all the observations. Over here I'm writing that the sum of all the observations given over here is, yes, 1 2 3 4 8, that should be divided by 6. So this is the sum of all the observations I'm writing over here. Now what we are getting, divided by 6. So after dividing by 6, 6 ones are 6 twos are 12. Now 3 cannot be divided, so we'll put 0 over here. 34. So 6 fives are 30, we can say 4 is left. 6 eights are 48. So the mean we are obtaining it as 2058. If you are facing problem to divide like this, you can divide by your normal method also, friends. So for today it was till this sum only, friends. So if you like the content, don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel, friends, and thanks for watching you all.